Hey you guys, welcome back. So here's example number 2. Again, let's remember that the goal of solving linear equations is always to get x by itself. So get x by itself. Totally messed that up. Let me fix that really quick. So get x by itself. That's the number one thing we're trying to do. Okay? So we got our problem right here. And so we got negative 3x equals x minus parentheses 6 minus 2x. So when we do this problem, again, we need to get the x by itself. I'm not going to show the tiles in this one. So let's just start with what we have. So I notice over here, remember that negative sign. What does negative mean? We talked about this in class all the time. Remember, negative or minus means opposite. Or in this case, it may mean flip. So that means if I had to start the next problem, that means I would write negative 3x equals x. Now flip everything inside the parentheses. This is called distributive property. So I'm going to flip the 6. The 6 is positive, so the 6 right now should be now negative 6. And I flip my negative 2x. What's the flip of negative 2x? Oh, positive 2x. Okay, so now I've got my problem. All right, so let's get to going. So first off, remember my goal is to get all the x's on one side. But I see a lot of x's on the right side over here. And you know what I notice? I have one x on this side, and I have two x's on this side. Wait a minute. I think Mr. Lay said something about these two. What are they called? That's right. They're called like terms. So I'm going to combine my like terms because here's one x tile and then here's two x tiles. So how many x tiles do I have in all? So 1x plus 2x. That means I have 3 x tiles. So I'm going to bring that down here. And this negative 6 or minus 6, I'm bringing it down. I didn't do anything to negative 3x on the other side, so I'm going to bring it straight back down again. So if I had to show what's going on with my tile moves right here, I know that right here, we got two sides. We got one side with negative 3x's. We got another side with 3x's and negative 6. So let's just figure out what can I do from here. So remember our moves that we can do is we can always flip. We can do balances, so adding or subtracting, or from both sides, or we can do zero pairs basically. So let's see over here. I need my x's all on one side, so why don't we start first with flipping? So I'm going to flip this to the other side. So flip it to the other side. Now, if I flip positive 3x to the other side, what do I get? I get another negative 3x, right? So if I had to show you in writing form what that looks like, you can subtract 3x from both sides. This is also known as a remove balance as well, but that works as well. So I'm subtracting 3x on this side, subtracting 3x on this side. So let's think about it. I already got negative 3x's, and then I just pulled out another negative 3x. So negative 3x's and negative 3x, that should be negative 6x. And then did I do anything to that negative 6 up here, or minus 6? Nope. So bring it down. Now I have 6 negative x tiles, and now I have 6 negative ones. How much do each of them get? You can find out by dividing. And what do I divide by? By the number and sign that is next to your x. So I'm dividing it because of this right here, right? To make a giant 1. And now I divide this side by that negative 6. And what's negative 6 divided by 6? That's a giant 1. So all I need to do is just put x. And then negative 6 divided by 6 over here is positive 1. Positive 1 is my answer. And that's how you can solve equations example number 2.